So today we are going to start with Pteris. As you all know, we are dealing with pteridophytes. So Pteris belongs to the division Filicophyta, class Leptosporangiopsida, order Filicales, and family Polypodiaceae. Now, where can we find Pteris? Pteris is very common in occurrence. It's a cosmopolitan fern which is distributed in almost all geographical regions. Even you will find it near you. So the plants, they usually grow in well-drained places or in the crevices of rocks. About 250 to 280 species are reported for the genus, and the common Indian species which you can find, they are Pteris critica, Pteris vittata, Pteris pellucida, Pteris wallichiana. These are some of them. Then, as you know that the pteridophytes, the main plant body is the sporophyte. So if we look at the sporophytic plant body of Pteris, it is differentiated into a root, a rhizomatous stem, and leaves. The root, it is a primary root which is ephemeral, that is, it is replaced by a large number of adventitious roots which are developed all over the rhizome. The roots, they are small and branched. Then if we talk about the stem of the sporophyte, it is a rhizome which may be creeping or erect. It may or may not show branching, and it is differentiated into nodes and internodes. The entire surface of the stem or the rhizome, it is covered with scales, and the growing point, it is covered with a protective covering which is known as the ramenta. Now the leaf, if we talk about the leaves, they are borne on the upper surface of the rhizome, and they are macrophylous. Macrophylous means they are large, and when the young leaves, they are young, they are spirally coiled around the rhizome, and they show circinate vernation, which is a very typical feature of true ferns. We will discuss it later also. So the leaves here, they are unipinnately or multipinnately compound, or they are decompound, and pinnae, they are small near the base as well as towards the apex, but they are large towards the middle. Right? So all leaves, they are fertile. Fertile means they are bearing sori, and sori, they are borne along the ventral margin of the pinna, except the apices. Right, so here we have talked about the sporophytic plant body, and here I am showing the pictures of the sporophytic plant body. Here you can see Pteris looks like this, and the ventral surface, it is bearing sori on the margins. So the picture clearly indicates that. So here you can see, this is what we call as a circinate vernation, which the young leaves show. This is a kind of protection which the leaves show, right? So this is a detailed view of the morphology of the Pteris plant. If we see here what we have talked about the root, the rhizome. Here you can see the rhizome, the pinna, the leaf, which is a megaphyll, right? It is large in size, and it is a compound leaf with pinnae, right? So on the ventral surface, you will find that the leaves, they are fertile. That means they are bearing sori here. Okay. So the sori, as you know, they will bear sporangia, and ultimately there will be a source, the source of spores, right? So thank you.